Wow. Whoa. That was nice. Hey, what's going on, family? Today we have a nice one, man. We're gonna Maiden this Night Radian or Radian, whatever it's called. We're gonna Maiden it, man. We're gonna Maiden this nice thing, and hopefully by the time it gets dark, we get to turn on these lights. So we're gonna do the talking once we get up there, but because I don't want to waste the time. So let's get right up in there, man. Let's get right up in there. All right, family. So our controls are going the proper direction. So let's get right up in there, man. Full throttle, and let's go. Whoa, that is smooth. Now, I do have safe on right now. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna chop off the throttle. Wow, that thing is huge. Look at that presence, man. Wow, that thing is no throttle on right now, man. Wow. It looks like an airliner to me in the sky. Wow, this is real nice, man. This is real nice. Throttle is actually off. Look at that. Wow, guys, that is nice. That's full throttle. It goes up and it climbs. That's nice. I like that because this is a slope slower. This is a glider. Let me go not over the cars. So guys, this is an amazing little glider, man. Like I don't even need to trim it or nothing. We're gonna go ahead and bring it right down. We're gonna turn these lights on before this rain comes, man. Wow, that is something crazy. So let's turn it around. This is new, man. I'm gonna need a lot of space to bring this down, but that's pretty cool. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, look at that, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's bring it right down. Wow, that is smooth. Look, that's heads off. It landed by itself, man. So let's go run over there and let's turn these lights on. Pretty sweet. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh snap, I'm gonna go for a nice slow steady one. Let me see. Or like this. Wow, look at that. I love the fact that this has his own flight controller for those lights, man. Let's get right up in there. Whoa. Whoa, I could definitely see that. Wow, guys, 4th of July should be real good. 4th of July should be real good. Now I think that with this I'll be able to fly all night, to be honest, because look, I don't even need the motor. I really don't. That is amazing. Look at that, I turned it off, and oh, I hope you guys was able to see that in the video. Guys, as soon as the motor turns off, the props go right in. I like that. I like that. Wow. Now, isn't it awesome that you can have safe select on your planes, man? That is nice, right? Like, you can literally have it on any plane you want. Especially if you buy it with it. Now, if you're an advanced pilot, you really don't need it. Me, I love to have it, so I'll just pay the extra $1. Wow, look at that. Guys, this is nice. I'm turning it a little hard, I'm sorry. Now, as you can tell, there's one tail that's on the left side, on the right side now. That side is off, man. I went to the store today to try to take it back, to see if I could get a new one, because I honestly did not want to pay 75, 79 bucks just for a set of lights for this little strip that's messed up back there, guys, right? So they did me a nice favor, man. They literally, wow. They literally ordered me the whole set of lights and they're giving it to me free of charge. Wow, look at that, man. That's hands-free. Literally, hands-free, man. This will fly itself. I'm gonna go ahead and bring her down and we're gonna change these lights because I don't want to sit here and fly this whole video just on one light, right? It's not what wow, that actually glides, guys. So I'm gonna take it up from this way here where the school is at, and we're actually gonna land her just like so. Okay, look at that. Whoa, that is nice. We're gonna land her. Oh, kind of hit the gate a little bit. That actually slid a lot. It slid for quite a while, so hopefully that was a little tap. Yeah, that ain't hurt our plane. It's just a grass landing right here. Okay, that's regular, guys. This is regular. So use my pants to kind of clean that off. So we're gonna change these lights. Wow, man. Whoa, I like that coloration. Nah, that's nice. That is nice. That is nice. Now I want something that's like the timber. I did have a timber before, and I kind of broke it. Well, I literally broke it. So see this climb rate. Wow, this actually almost lets me do a loop. And safe is on, literally safe is on. So, and it's just so nice that it almost lets you do a loop. So that means it's not a lot. Wow, that is nice. Look at that. Now, like I said, that is hands-free. Wow. Wow. Now that coloration is kind of messing with my eyes a little bit. I don't know about yous, but definitely messing with my eyes. We're gonna try to go from that way and land that way. Look, I literally took my eyes off the plane, guys. That's how confident I am in this, man. That is sick. So let's come in, cause that gives us a nice approach, I think. Let me see. Yeah, that gives us a really good approach right there. So let's go right in there, so that way we can go pick her up. Cause this thing, bro, this thing literally goes, man. I have to literally push down a little bit, right? And look, lean off of it. So that was a little too much. So I'm actually gonna bring her down, cause that dog too. That dog was looking like it was gonna eat my stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna bring her down, guys, and we're gonna come back when the light is all gone, man. When it's nighttime. Ooh, I had to watch that. That thing just slides, man. That thing literally slides. All right, family. So here we have it. We have the lights on, and I'm gonna keep it on this setting because it's like completely on. I don't want it to go off, not even for just a sec. So, and I got my run cam on there, so that should be some pretty alright footage, man. I hope that we can see everything good. Let's sync up our audio. All right. Let's get it right in there, man. Ooh, this thing is bright. Wow, I wanted to wave at the camera. Hopefully I was able to. Wow, this thing is nice. Now, woo, I'm glad I'm actually able to see. It's still blurry for me a little up there. Like, right now it's blurry. Like, not real blurry, but it's like fuzzy, you know what I mean? Wow, look at that. So let's get it turned around. Wow, look at that. That looks awesome. That looks awesome. Now, for my first official nighttime flying plane that I actually, because I had the Night Radian before I started actually doing YouTube, man, but I completely destroyed it. I'm kind of upset that I did. But guys, this is a nice plane, man. I don't need AS3X on here, AX3X, or I think that's what it's called. I don't need the auto stabilizer on here, guys, to be honest. This is a 3-channel, but it does help a lot because I could just keep my hands off the sticks and it'll literally just do that. So let's turn it around. Look at that. Real nice, real smooth. I like that. I like how I could see literally the whole plane. I would love to see like literally the whole fuselage light up. Now it was like I said, if it was like the Night Timber, that would be like completely my favorite. But wow, I could see that though. Look at that. I could see that. Okay, I could deal with that. I could deal with that. As long as I keep my orientation good and make sure I don't lose that orientation. So I gotta remember, bright is bottom and faded off is top. So that way I know what am I looking at, because sometimes it looks like I'm looking at the same thing. Let's go straight up. Wow. Look at that. And it just straightens out itself. Now for a beginner pilot, totally recommend this, man. Like I said, this is a 3-channel and it has safe on there. I don't have it on a switch right now. I have it completely on. I don't mind that. I can't put it on a switch, but hey, I'm honestly gonna probably keep it on all the time, especially for the footages, because I want to keep it nice and smooth, man. Nice and smooth. Now the only problem I have with this plane is landing and taking off, man. Well, landing. Takeoffs is really not a problem. I don't like my planes getting really dirty, man. Now I noticed in the past that a lot of planes I buy from the Facebook market, they come like really dirty, man. Now I understand it's the hobby, man. They land in the grass when you have the belly landers, but I don't like that. I don't like that. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna clean up as much as I can, and I'm actually gonna put some tape at the bottom of my fuselage, whether it's painter's tape or it's clear tape, whatever actually sticks. I'm actually gonna put it on there, man, because I don't like the bottom of my fuselage getting dirty. I wish my plane just looks brand new all the time. You know what I mean? Especially if I don't crash it, right? So now let's try to get a low pass in there. Wow, look at that. Wow. Whoa! That was nice. Guys, I love this plane. Now, I have to turn a little bit more coordinated. Let me see if I could turn on low rates and if it'll help me a little better. Okay, a little bit smoother. Wow, that is nice. Now anybody can fly this. I hope you guys can get this, man. This is something that I would literally fly all night. The first battery, it was literally at 56%, and I don't remember honestly how long we was flying. That's why I'm kind of glad I updated my transmitter, and that should be coming the day after my birthday. But by the time you guys see this video, it should have already been here, because I've been recording a lot of video, guys. So we are probably starting April now. So I actually did all April. So now we are probably in May, honestly. Wow, that is beautiful. So we're probably in the beginning of May. I do have about 5 videos already on my tablet edited. So, and that's not including about 15 that's already scheduled. So yeah, guys, so this come out, I will definitely have my transmitter, a new one. Wow, look at that. This is beautiful, man. Another low pass. Make sure I don't hit the soccer goal. Wow. Pull that stick up. We're gonna go straight out a little bit, and then we're gonna try to come for another low pass. Guys, I could fly this at night with no problem. So I thought it was gonna be a problem because, like I said, when things get far away, they get real fuzzy, man. Real fuzzy. Wow, look at this thing, man. The presence. Wow. Looks like it light up the whole floor. Wow, turn on high rates. Wow, look at that. We're lit up. We're basically lit up. Look at that. Let's go over there and let's do another low pass. This coming this way though. There you go. Straighten it out, bring her down. Look at that. The floor is lit up, guys. Whoa! Wow, look, hands off the sticks, and it literally just goes where it needs to go. Let's turn it around. Wow, man. Now that is nice. That is nice. That is really amazing. I'm really glad. I'm really glad. Now, it would be really cool if I put some FPV gear on here and I literally just fly all night, right? Now, I'm gonna come in for a landing, and that's it for this video, guys. That's it for this video. I'm gonna do one more circle because my approaches, I need to work on my approaches with this plane. This is a very fast soaring plane. So, and being as though I can't see that far, it's already a problem. So we're gonna make sure we land her pretty good. All right, not gonna go too far. Okay, coming straight towards us. Now we have a lot of room. Okay, bring that nose down a little bit. Okay, there you go. Thing just glides, man. Just glides. Now I definitely need more room. Just a tad bit more. But if I stay right here, that will limit me because it won't let me as far. You know what I mean? I will not fly as far because I know that this park is small. Now if I go to a bigger park that is not an official field, yeah, that's gonna be a problem for me because I'm probably just gonna try to keep going. But I did fly an RC field around me, and I'm gonna get AMA because all they need is AMA to fly there and $50 a year, and we could literally fly there. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna be flying at an official RC flying field. Woo! This was nice, man. This was nice. This is literally something that I never thought I was gonna get, honestly. So like I said, beginner friendly. I recommend everybody to get this, especially for nighttime, man. Don't make your own, especially if you have eye problems. If you do have eye problems, get this light setup. It's only about 75 bucks. And it's gonna do the job for you, man. It comes with the flight controller and everything, so you're gonna be perfectly fine. Now the only thing that this is missing for me is honestly some ailerons, but it's not like a big need. So that's really it though. It's very much for the beginners. So that's it for this video, everyone. I appreciate you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this night flying plane, and I hope you guys get one as well. I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.